Today, we're going to compare guitar storage. We have the MYHJ guitar display stand and the OmniWad guitar wall mounts. Both of these options have their merits depending on your needs and preferences. The floor-based stand is made of a durable wood material with a beautiful shiny finish. It features protective padding around the edges to protect the surface of your guitar and is designed in two lightweight pieces that hold your instrument steady and yet easily come apart and fit into a travel case if it's being used on the go. The wall mounts are made of real black walnut hardwood. They have a U-shaped cradle which securely fits the guitar without the risk of sliding and holds the guitar at a safe distance between the cradle and the wall, preventing the guitar from fraying. Both of these storage options are protective and beautiful ways to display your instruments. The floor-based display offers portability and convenience, while hanging wall mounts are a wonderful space-saving option that will allow you to display your guitar as a piece of art on your wall while saving valuable floor space.